So Scotty was striking a pose.
I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Camera breaks, fade to black.
Right, exactly.
So,
here we go. You guys ready?
getting ready. Wait. Yeah, getting ready. We got the carb off.
Yeah.
Ready to go. We're gonna put the lift plate on here because we're pretty much ready to yank this baby out.
Yeah.
We just got to do the trans mount and trans cross member.
Easy enough. Quick and easy. So we're up here. We got the car back down so we could get to the neutral safety switch because it runs up on the driver's side and it's supposed to have a 4-pin connector. Someone got lazy back in the day. We don't know when.
We don't know how.
Or who.
But
They were definitely dumb because
I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see if I can get my hand down there in the back.
Hold on, I'm zooming in on it. Yeah, stay right there. Scotty, stay there. Stay, Scotty, stay. See these 4 red wires? Those are the ones coming from the neutral safety switch because when we wiggle down here, wiggle, you can see the wiring right there. That's the neutral safety wiring. You can see it wiggling. Fun fact, somebody jacked this up at some point and cut it and then wired all 4 with red wires together. Also, added bonus, it's wrapped with like electrical tape right here, and it rubs on the input shaft of the steering box. Good Lord, people. So, because we're replacing most of the wiring in here anyway, because it's such a hacky muskrat.
See, it always comes back to me. It doesn't matter what's going on. It always comes back to me.
Muskrat and furball. Are you gonna use the circumcision tool?
This is for my Jewish friends in New York. We're just gonna do a little snip of the tip. 20%, I swear to God.
Oh God! See, if they wouldn't have snipped me, I would have 5 inches. I wouldn't have little baby.
See, it Oh my God. Okay, now the problem is up here. This is the pretty part. Up here.
Oh fuck! That's the pretty part. I don't want to see the ugly part.
Okay, I have to deal with him every day. Help, please.
Damn near every day.
Me.
Sometimes even on the weekends. Oh! It's a boy.
And you're the one that says
it's a boy.
You're straight. You moan better than a lot of the bottoms I'm with.
Oh, Jesus. Anyway.
Ooh, no. Turn your head back that way.
What are you doing? What are you picking? How?
Ooh, that one was a big one. Bigger than your ding-ding.
Is that a hair out of my ear?
Yeah, it was like
That's weird. Anyway,
2
back
inches.
to...
It was bigger than your ding-ding.
Okay, so we need to roll this. Bernsey. Hurry up, because we got to roll this and we'll pull it. I'll go get the lift plate.
But the fun part is...
People are dumb.
Which red wire goes to which?
It doesn't matter right now, because we're going to end up chasing this up.
Well, I mean...
But we're replacing most... Oh, and then my favorite thing.
Oh, of course.
If you use a vampire clip, you're an idiot.
And then we have this one that was to the block.
Goes to nothing. Goes to nowhere.
I don't...
Goes to nowhere.
I don't get it. I just don't.
Okay, here's how I explain this stuff to everybody in the automotive world. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Daddy. Talk to me.
Oh, my God. Okay, so here's how we explain things in the automotive world. If you have to... Where was I going with this?
I'm not quite sure because I'm already confused.
True. Okay, sorry, train of thought didn't just derail. The trains have been pulled out and it went flying off the bridge like at the end of...
Yeah, and on a cartoon over the bridge and smashed on the ground.
Back to the Future 3.
Yes.
The train.
Yes.
So, yeah, if you're doing that where you're running all the colors, all the wires on a switch, one color, what is wrong with you? Why are you allowed to work on this? I mean, some of this, that's been on here a while. I mean, look, the multiple reds go all the way up to here.
Oh, yeah.
Some of this has been done a while. But there's some other work that was done locally on here that is very questionable. Which, half-assery galore. Which is
It's
what we
what
find.
we get being here doing what we do.
Yeah.
We get the cars that are unloved,
I mean,
unwanted.
this car's loved.
Oh, this
and
car,
it's wanted.
the new owner, Patrick, I love him.
Patrick
He's
loves
such an
it.
amazing
He
guy.
wants it. It's.
He wants it. He's going to get it.
Are you asking Patrick out?
No. I've got enough on my plate.
On your
palate.
what? On your back?
Well, not really on my back.
Anyway.
Well, like if you sit on my face, I'll
Oh God! No.
and I'll eat the difference.
Whoa! You're telling me to clean up my mouth on these things?
There's a difference. I'm not swearing.
No, but you're being filthy, which I love.
No, I just washed last week.
Oh God damn it. Anyway.
Patrick, can you tell we love you to death?
Yes.
We do.
Yes. This is the problem we encounter. All of these cars get neglected at some point. Then somebody comes along that loves the car and buys it. Then the car goes to some other places locally, or even not locally, in the way of Gary's stuff. And we find everybody's mistakes.
Yep.
And then everybody's like, I already did that. This is a generalization, not, this isn't to Patrick or anybody else. This is a generalization because Patrick hasn't actually said that. But we get a lot of, I already did that. It's like, well, here's pictures and video that was never done. But here's your invoice that you gave me from the other place. It shows it was supposed to be done.
It was done. Yeah.
Yeah. And
we ran across that many, many times.
From people we know, too, which is bad. We don't name names. Well, sometimes we'll name names, but, case-by-case basis. Anyway, all right, I'm rambling. So next time you see this, it's going to be coming out.
I'm coming out. I want...
Did you just sing what my brain was thinking?
I did. Because we is in sync. Girl, work with me. Come on, work with me.
I thought we're more
We's
like the
in sync.
Backseat Boys.
No, you're more like a back seat
You're
boy.
a backdoor boy.
I have been known to enter a few of those in my time.
Oh, fuck. Anyway, see, I caught myself swearing. Bad
Very
Bobby.
good. Very good.
Anyway, it's coming out.
The
what? I didn't turn it off yet. What is it? Say it.
It's coming out. You?
No. It's awful dark in a closet, though.
It is. How is Jimmy Hoffa, by the way?
Dead.
Oh.
He's very stiff.